Hey, welcome back to Roost Vans. This is Dennis going over one of our latest, well, one of the more unusual builds that we have participated in. Customer brought this van to us. He's had this build for quite a while, and we did not do the red leather work. Limo company about 12 years ago did. What we end up doing is modifying the existing work and putting in a lower mounting system, couple of table mounts using a Lagoon table system, as well as our flip-up kit bed system. And customer really liked the bed system. He wanted also to make sure to have an extra panel on the bed system. Currently, it's missing a panel. We're going to be shipping that to him just because, well, hell, we're out. Also, a lot of Roost Vans products ship, so it makes it easy to get a customer's rig in, do some work that they're interested in having us do, and if they want to do additional work and mount additional products to our rail system at a later date, well, they can, such as a panel. I want to give a shout out to Owl Vans and their Sherpa bike carrier. Here we have two one-up bike trays mounted to a Sherpa mounting plate on the back of the van. And inside the van we have another flip-up kit installed on the back of the flip-up Phuket bed system, as well as an additional panel just installed directly to the lower mounting system. Now, customer is a photographer and they're going to use this lower panel, and he's going to mount and tie all of his bike gear and also his photography gear to this panel for easy access, particularly in combination with having the flip-up kit installed in the back panel, so he can get great access to all the material that he has stored and strapped down. This particular Phuket bed system, we used Hexply anti-skid material instead of our traditional bamboo. Now back again to the front of the van, we have this Lagoon table that's mounted to our lower rail system. Two opportunities for that. In this case, it gives the person in the swivel seat great opportunity to work on a laptop while looking outside. Send us a shout at roostvans.com for your needs.